Rounds. Special Treatment version 3 now adds a whole bunch of electric diamonds for the light that is coming through the door. So we've got basically all the other white areas that we have on the door that we did not fill in with lightning diamonds, and we filled that in with electric diamonds. So you can choose to kind of spread them out a little bit more. That way you have an even sort of outline for the door, or as what I've done in this particular canvas, where this area isn't as light as these areas, and I simply followed what I saw on my canvas. So simply place it on the lightest areas on your canvas that represents the door, and this will give it that glistening effect like there is light coming through.